Taylor with Valleyscape. Today I want to talk about drip systems. It's a hot topic right now because we're getting closer to springtime, adding more plants, starting to water quite a bit more. So I want to show you an example of a bad drip system. We're in the process of replacing it here on a property in Marietta, and I'm going to show you both because they're next to each other. We have the good and the bad. So I will do my best to show it to you. These little guys are throughout the whole yard. Now, about 10 of them have broken and they're just shooting water up. And it looks like they've probably been chewed on or who knows what, but they're just spraying water out. The problem with this, and we see it kind of often, is it's kind of a cheap, easy way to do a drip system, but it doesn't really work very well, and it doesn't have the longevity of a real, actual drip system. So here's what a real drip system is. We have a control valve. We've got a Rainbird 30 psi filter regulator. This is a must-have. We run our 1/2-inch tubing from the valve, and then we run it right along the edge of the planter. The reason we do this is try to keep it out of the way, so if there is any planting or digging done, you kind of have an idea where it's at. The part that's going to run through the planter is right here. This is an emitter, so this controls the amount of water that comes out of the tube, and then this little 1/4-inch tube just delivers it right to the base of the plant. This is the most effective and efficient way to water plants because you actually can figure out by the amount of emitters you put in. Each one does 2 gallons per hour. It waters right at the base of the plant, right where the roots are. Trees will get more than one, and it's just everything is watered appropriately, so without any excess on top or spray or watering between plants. This is the best way. This will last a long time, and we prefer to see it buried. Unfortunately, in this situation, there's so many roots in this planter, we can't bury it without destroying probably half the plants. So we have it on the surface, but we use large staples to hold it down. This works really, really well. And because of placing the emitters at the base of the tubing on the 1/2-inch tubing, you actually are also preventing a lot of damage from rodents and animals, because when they chew on the tubing, it doesn't start leaking everywhere. So I hope this helps you. Drip systems are the best way to water plants, and if you have any questions, we're around to answer those, but it is definitely going to be something that will last a long, long time. Thanks for watching.